कल जा रहा हूँ मैं 1000 माइल्स इन 24 आवर्स द सैडल सोर। फ्यूल सिस्टम क्लीनिंग करना है क्योंकि आई डोंट नो कौन सा फ्यूल यूज़ करने वाला हूँ मैं। सो ये है और मैं ये डाल दे रहा हूँ अपना फ्यूल सिस्टम में। पूरा 80 ml है। मेरा गाड़ी का पेट्रोल पूरा फुल है। सो मैं ये डाल रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा ड्रेन हो जाए आराम से। क्लीनिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि हम लोग नहीं जानते लोग कहाँ से पेट्रोल ले रहे हैं, वो लोग क्या मिक्स कर रहे हैं पेट्रोल में। कभी कभार तो पानी भी मिक्स कर देता है। मैं इतना वीडियोस देखो, पानी मिक्स कर देता है, गाड़ी बंद हो जाता है। इफ़ इंजन उस टाइम अगर बंद हुआ तो मैं क्या करूँगा, आई डोंट नो। डालने का प्रोसेस इज़ ऑन टू ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट। और मैं ये चला जाए, हल्का सा ड्रिफ्ट भी कर नहीं है ना। हाँ ठीक है। Almost 4:50 and I am on my way to Bangalore from Kolkata. This will be a big ride for me. Waiting for the saddle sore ride, which will be 610 kilometers in 24 hours. So let's move. Father is there for the CF. जाओ तले अच्छी। तो सामने का टायर में थोड़ा सा हवा कम लग रहा है, डोंट नो भाई। मैं तो कल भरा लिया था। 5-10 minutes time for the start. That's the ATM. I'll start my ride from here. यही तो ये सामने आया, जल्दी आ, टाइम नहीं रहा है। I am with my ATM card standing in front of the HDFC ATM just for the swipe for the start of my journey for the proof. At 5 o'clock I have started. Here is the witness, Moinak Roy. He came to bid me a see off and I told him to also swipe his card just to make his point that he is with me. So that's its proof. It's around 4:58. So this is the ATM proof. I collected. It's around 5 o'clock. Just now I have to start. That's it. So बैक ठीक से बांधा हुआ नहीं था शायद, तो मैं थोड़ा सा टाइट कर दिया। लग रहा है कि ठीक है अभी। I have to maintain a speed of 80. It's around almost 7 o'clock in the morning and I have reached Kharagpur. थोड़ा सा टाइम लग गया फिल्टर करने में। My trip one is showing around 135 minutes I came. गलती कर दिया मैंने, मैं अपना गूगल मैप ऑन नहीं किया था। They are told that minor mistakes are acceptable. गूगल में लोकेशन ऑन है तो चलाएगा वो। Let's move. Hold it down. Let's go. And I am on my way. After Chilka only I will get some smooth roads. ऐसा स्पीड में निकल कर सही रहेगा। लेकिन लोग यहाँ से वहाँ पे आते थे, ये गेम भी स्कैड मेरे साथ। या जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड एंड जस्ट नाउ ही केम। यहाँ से मैं निकल पाऊंगा कि नहीं? नो आई हैव अ बैक so I can't filter through the trucks. Consciousness, speed, everything I have to do in a single way, and the vlogging also, so it's really very tough. First time I am attempting this kind of long distance ride within a limited period of time. Till now my house was around 1200 kilometers in 35 hours, and now I am attempting for 1600 kilometers in 24 hours. Wow, what a jump, man. The list one, which is the Odisha Bengal border, around 7 kilometers. 5-10 minutes only, I am going to cross the Bengal Odisha border. I think I am on time at 7:46. This is actually the border. The toll is a bit ahead. So 1 kilometer to cross West Bengal. बिल होगा ना? बिल गाड़ी का नाम पे कर देना। टाइम ठीक है ना? था 8:18। तो अभी लॉग में थोड़ा एंट्री कर लेते हैं, तो बाद चलते हैं। मेरा फर्स्ट पेट्रोल स्टॉप था So this side is West Bengal, that side is Orissa. Bye bye West Bengal. Balasore. ସେଇଠି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇମ୍ ତେଲ ନେଇକି ଦେବି, ଟିକେ ୱେଟ୍ କରିବି, ଓଡ଼ିଶା ମୁଁ ଆସିଗଲା। How can I complete this 1000 miles if this kind of traffic is here? The traffic, man. 10 o'clock, man. 5 hours already been wasted and only 329 kilometers. Shit, man. How can I complete?
फर्स्ट ब्रेक, ड्रीम्स ब्रेक। इतना नींद आ रहा था मेरे को तो शायद मैं सोचा कि थोड़ा सा एक रेड बुल पी लूँ, क्योंकि गाड़ी का तो पेट्रोल हो गया, मेरा पेट्रोल अभी तक तो हुआ नहीं।
I thought to do it in 6 hours only. I think yeah, you have to make up this kind of loss. ये मेरे 1000 miles यार, कैसे 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 हाउ पता नहीं यार। टेम्परेचर कितना है? अरे यार हट रे, तू नहीं जा पाएगा, साइड से चलना। 6 घंटा ऑलरेडी वेस्टेड। एनएच लग रहा है आपको? सैंड पर आएगा, कोई स्पीड में आएगा, ब्रेक मारेगा तो क्या? श्योरिटी नहीं है लाइफ का। बैग भी बार बार चेक करना पड़ रहा है यार। मैं कब पहुंचूंगा भुवनेश्वर? अभी रुकने का मैं सोचा था, मैं रुकूंगा नहीं, ओनली पेट्रोल स्टॉप। हो क्लोज कॉल, क्लोज कॉल। Two kilometer over Bhubaneswar. So crossing the Mahanadi, and on the other side it's Cuttack. Around 11:37, almost 6 hours 30 minutes of my riding, and I have covered almost 450 kilometers almost. The river is all dried up, I think. So let's cross Bhubaneswar and then we'll meet. Shit, the camera is not opening. Just because it is overheated, I think. फोन ऑन रखना पड़ेगा। वैसे यहाँ पे टाइम दिखा रहा है फ्रॉम हाई एनर्जी टू लो एनर्जी, तो मैंने सीने पे लगा लिया तो शायद थोड़ा सा हीट कम हो जाए। अरे यार खुल जाए यार, मुझे निकलना है। दिख रहा है यहाँ पे फोन ऑन नहीं हो रहा था ड्यू टू ओवर हीटिंग, and now it's all done. I have taken the picture odometer के सामने। It's around 6582, almost I came around 471 kilometers। इससे अभी बज रहा है 12:31 and I came around 471। It's 580 kilometers done and it's around 2 p.m. and I don't know where I am in the middle of NH16. I have crossed Bhubaneswar, Khurda, everything, and now Gopalpur is around 60 kilometers from here. From 5 o'clock till 2 p.m. it's around 580 kilometers done.
So now it's lunch time, and just for 5 minutes I want to take a rest stop, so I got my own lunch. My plan was to reach Balasore by 8:30. That I have done. To Bhubaneswar by 11. I did it by 12, so 1 hour late. And Behrampur is around 2. Now it's 2. It will be around 1 hour late. I'm lagging by 1 hour. So anyways, Srikakulam I'll reach by 3. I thought that, and Vizag by 5 o'clock. Let's see.
Eastern Ghats. Gopalpur sea beach is around 60 kilometers from here.
प्रॉमिस किया था कि आंध्रा घुस के ही पानी पीऊँगा, लेकिन आंध्रा घुसने के बाद ये टोल प्लाजा अलग टाइप का है। ये देखिए, ये शिव पार्वती का मूर्ति है। ये आंध्रा बॉर्डर का बहुत पास है। एंड श्रीकाकुलम यहाँ से 130 किलोमीटर है। मेन चीज़ है, मेरा जो चॉकलेट लेके आया था, चॉकलेट नहीं डार्क चॉकलेट था, पूरा गल गया। थोड़ा सा पोंछ के फेंक रहा हूँ, क्या करूँ, पूरा गंदा हो गया, खत्म हो गया। फिर मैं सोचा था चॉकलेट खाते खाते तो एटलीस्ट डार्क चॉकलेट कैसे कहता है उसमें, लेकिन अभी कोई फ़ायदा है नहीं। सामने कोई पानी का दुकान रोक के पानी पीऊँगा, दैट्स इट। और अभी हो रहा है अराउंड 331 किलोमीटर इज 655 टिल डन। सो चलते हैं। थैंक्स R3, साथ में रहिए प्लीज़।
हाँ गाड़ी नंबर, हाँ नहीं फुल नंबर हाँ अच्छा हाँ 370 ಹಾಕಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ चल 750 kilometers done, 854 to go, and it's around the 5 o'clock, so we're also riding on a bit left, 1 hour left, running behind, and trying to make up. Come on man! It's almost 6 o'clock, yeah, and I'm just completing 800 kilometers now. Yeah, a bit late, but nothing to do. Too much of diversion and traffic here. Can't increase the speed over 90. After Srikakulam is horrible. Whatever the blogs I was seeing that they are taking around 16 hours, 15 hours for Vizag, they are right. Now the sun is going to be down and it will be night time once again. I could have chose any other way, any round trip or something like that. Not able to do. I'll do what is not done. Kolkata to Bangalore non-stop. 650 and only 26 kilometers to Vizag. I was not too much late, but it's okay. But for the ride which I am doing, I am late for that. In Andhra, roads are nice. It's not nice, it's awesome. It's more than, it's excellent. But how come NH34 in Bengal is like a horrible state? Who is responsible for that? I think that's the main question to be asked. Third, Vizag, Visakhapatnam, and now the traffic starts. The thing is that there is no flyover here, so whole of the NH goes through the city, so we'll have to see this kind of traffic jams. One mission accomplished, it's within time. Vijayawada is around 450 or 460 kilometers. So this is Vizag. I have reached. So far so good. See you later. This girl is riding her scooter like anything, keeping a match with me, but I am leaving her just to see. Nice. You go. अरे यार, there is no possible way to finish this 1000 miles in 24 hours. I am enjoying my 24 hours ride. So let's see how much I can do. ना तो विजयवाड़ा straight road ना, तो विजयवाड़ा straight.
Nearly 300 kilometers.
300 kilometers. Okay. Fuck, I'm fucked up, man. Full construction, man. Arre, I chose the wrong route. Wrong route.
So Rajahmundry is around 94 kilometers from here. So just stopped here to have some dinner. इसके बाद कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. प्रिंटेड बिल यहाँ पे नहीं मिलेगा, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. क्या करें, ऐसा बिल तो है मेरे पास, बस वही.
I don't think I can do it. टाइम है नहीं उतना.
And it's around 12:40. 1101 kilometers I came. I don't think I'll be able to complete because my phone, because the phone charge is too low, and I'm not able to charge the phone. So we have to charge the phone to make me available in the net. That I did this. Bad luck this time. Let's see how much I can do. So 20 minutes I waited there just to charge my phone and the power bank and also my action cam, and then I left. Everything. Sorry guys, I tried but I couldn't. इतना मिस मैं गाड़ी चला ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ. Over 50. It's really a problem. Front car. That's it. हाँ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀಪೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. मैं यहाँ पे सो रहा हूँ. मैं जैकेट डाल दिया नीचे, ऊपर से टैंक बैग के ऊपर थोड़ा तकिया बना के सोया हूँ. बाइक यहाँ पे पार्क किया हुआ है और ये है अपना पेट्रोल पंप. सो इट्स 4:30 नाउ एंड आई अगेन स्टार्ट माई जर्नी क्योंकि वहाँ पे सो ही नहीं पा रहा था, इतना मच्छर. So good morning from Vijayawada. Last day you have seen that I was sleeping in the petrol pump. It was just only for 1 hour. After that I tried to complete, but it was the same amount of fog and the mist I showed you. Continuously it was there from 4 o'clock in the morning. Now it's around 8 o'clock. Continuously I was riding till Iluru. It was same. As the sun came up, slowly it got reduced. Not so disgusted because I tried my level best but I couldn't complete 1300 kilometers in 24 hours. I did. It's okay man, next time. This was unexpected. Traffic and Vizag was full of traffic. It took me around 1 hour to just to get out of Vizag from the entry to exit. Really it was a bit tough. And Guntur straight ఓకే బ్రిడ్జ్ తీసుకోಬೇಕು నా బ్రిడ్జ్ తీసుకోండి ఓకే సರಿ సరి I lost one more guy. Excuse me sir, Guntur straight Guntur straight. Thank you. Telugu I don't know, but little bit I can understand because it's similar to Kannada, which I can speak. The way they will put their hands out now. Yeah, this is the way I came. Yeah, I remember. I don't know which it is. Maybe the Godavari. This is Vijayawada. So say goodbye. And after that, after Guntur, I will take the state highway and I will reach Bangalore. I must mention that from last day I am riding continuously. Maybe I failed in the silence or ride, but I am riding continuously. Anyway, goodbye from Vijayawada. See you. I crossed Dattalur and I am having this kind of cold drink shop. Hygienic नहीं है, but I like non-hygienic. After entering the state highway, everything changed and I was really enjoying the incredible India, the real India. क्या हीट है यार, 40 के ऊपर लग रहा है मेरे को. क्या करूँ, गाड़ी वहाँ पे खड़ा कर दिया हूँ, चला ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ. It will take around 6 to 7 hours more. And now it is 2 p.m. 6 hours means I'll reach around 8 or 9 p.m. in the night. But still good. Net showed around, Google showed around, it was around 48 hours of riding from Calcutta. But now I think 36 hours I'll end it. It's a big achievement for me. I'll take a bit of rest here and then I'll leave like him.
Important factor of being late first was the heat, and then I was enjoying the Deccan. The hills and the plateaus I was seeing was really very nice.
अभी ये जगह पे मैं रुका हूँ, ये कहाँ है? बदवेल, आई थिंक सो। हाँ, बदवेल के बाद आएगा कड़ापा, उसके बाद आएगा आपका चिकबल्लापुर एंड देन बेंगलुरु। अभी लंच टाइम है, मैं ढाबे पे मैं थोड़ा सा रुका हूँ लंच के लिए। चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहूँगा आर्टरी के लिए, इतना चाह के मैं खींचो इसको, स्लो चलाओ, कुछ नहीं होता गाड़ी को, कुछ नहीं होता। गाड़ी हीटअप भी नहीं हो रहा है, इतना अच्छा गाड़ी है सही में। थैंक्स संदीप फॉर दिस रेफरल। मेरा गाड़ी तो दुरंतो एक्सप्रेस होने वाला है, क्योंकि कोलकाता टू बेंगलोर आई डोंट थिंक सो एनीवन हैज़ डन स्टिल डायरेक्टली। अगर थोड़ा स्पाइस मिला दे तो आई वांट टू शो यू समथिंग वेयर आई एम स्टैंडिंग। Yeah, I'm standing. Awesome view.
कितने में लिया आपने?
ये 3,000 में लिया।
3,000 में।
ये और महंगा आता है, 25-30 हज़ार का भी है। मैं नहीं लिया, टाइम नहीं मिलता, क्यों लूँ? पूरा आ रहा है ना।
नहीं और तो ऊपर उठाना पड़ता है।
ठीक है भैया, भाई
चलो।
After this, I was really enjoying the sunset. Every time I was changing the camera views just to get a different angles, but I didn't know what was waiting for me just in the front, because then I had to take the full village road within the mountains, and it will be the night time. I realized my phone battery was going off. So I took out my phone just to shut off the net and all the unnecessary apps and to start with my journey again. जैसे जैसे मैं चलते गया, the sun came down and it was night time again. At this time I was scared because I was going to the state highway and it was going to the villages, and I needed my phone every time just to see the Google Maps.
Continue for 7 kilometers.
I entered the spookiest road with no lights, nothing. At some point of time, the Google map was also getting confused and it was making me to enter into some wrong roads and taking some U-turns which killed the time. Otherwise, I could have reached more faster.
Just now I had my dinner. He is Mr. Sanat Kumar. So he made me had my dinner. He's really reluctant and he paid the bills. So thank you very much.
Sir,
Thank
very
you.
friendly, sir.
No. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Support
Yeah.
Dr.
Shivalik.
Shivalik. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Once again, welcome to Bagapalli.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
After Bagapalli, I was hallucinating because it was almost 41 hours I was riding. But I didn't lose hope and kept my nerves still, and I reached Bangalore.
So ultimately I reached Bangalore. All the mixed emotions are coming right now. The thing is that Bangalore is a bit changed. Last 2 years back I visited, but now it's all changed. Anyway, this is the city where I started my career. This is the city where I learned how to ride bike. This is the city I learned how to earn money. So my life starts from here. So that's the thing. Tomorrow only I have a little bit of work, and then I'll meet my relatives, my friends, and next morning I'll go back. That's so kindly subscribe my channel, and please don't leave this channel without hitting the like. This vlog is a little bit too long, but I think all these things are needed. See how I came.